So hello, welcome back my Ragnarok PvP friends. In today's video, it's quite challenging because we have to carry a level 42 priest that guildmate. So without further ado, let's do this. So we're gonna do turtle mode. We might have a low level priest, but we have two wizards that are quite powerful enough. So we can do this. I will pick their wizard off because it's the only one quite squishy. So our team today is quite underdog. Let's see how we can manage to pull this off. So again, assassin moves, backdoor, boom, stun. Burst, burst, burst. Oops, not the knight, stop. So you can see I have yellow pots now. So it's good. Going back to the target, the wizard. And the knight is on me. So I just keep on the pressure. Stun lock. There you go. Boom. So you can hear our wizard running for his life. Go Burns, go Alindog, you can do it, run! Just like their wizard, running for his life also. Dead. And you can pick off the knight now. And yeah, we pulled it off. So shout out to our new recruit, the wizard, the other wizard, named Alindog. Go Burns, go! So we're quite confident now because we already won our first battle with the underdog team. So the really tip here is to pick your targets. Never head on or go for the knight first. Also, you can see their assassin going after. So there's the hunter. Oh, you're so dead, boy. Boom! The assassin at the back died. I don't know how, but our priest managed to survive. That's very good for a level 42 on a 50 battle. So yeah, see, we really won.
Woo, we won!
So for our next set, so looking at the targets, ooh, level 45 priest, a hunter, a double priest, oh nice, assassin and a hunter. Let's see what we can do with this team again. So our guild leader said that we should kill first the one who is eating a flower, I think, or a lollipop. Okay boss, I got you. Target acquired. Going back door. Boom! Knight priest AFK na. Target down. Next one, hunter. You might be a level 52 hunter, but you're still a hunter. And you're my favorite, you know that. Run, boy, run. Ouch. Don't do like that. Come on, just die. You know you don't have any chance. Hey. Good night, yummy hunters. This knight is quite dangerous for me because he has the reflect damage set, and that's a little not favorable for me because I am a pure damage, so I might die attacking him only. So I better not do like something stupid like tunnel visioning and focus on my HP because I have pots. The holy yellow pots will save my life. There, stun lock. I think he will die now. See how thick a knight can be? 4 of us versus him, and we are having difficult time of killing him. If I go straight head on with this guy, definitely I won't even have a single tiny chance of killing him.
Skills na ako.
So round 2, now we know that we have to really ignore the knight because he is a cannon fodder, the one who eats damage. So the strategy is simple, just ignore him, the knight, and kill the squishier ones. So them two know that we are in turtle mode. We are not attacking directly. You see the knight? There he goes again. So once again, ignore him because he himself can't kill our teammates. So me,
No, I'm
assassin
lagging.
mode
No,
again,
no.
on a mission. Finding squishier targets. Oh, the priest is in solo. Good. Stun lock. Go. Bomb. Burst. Boom. Dead. I just solo killed the priest. Ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I can't believe myself. Lul, joking. He's a bit low on level against me. So again, lastly, the knight again. So be careful with your HP. The reflect damage, remember. See my HP go down even when he's not attacking. It won't be long. You just stun him locked up. He'll die. And burst. Watch my HP, watch my HP. Oh shit. Look what happened. Boring knights. I hate those kind of knights. So guys, our video ends here, and as you can see,
Nice.
we can carry this out. Bye. Thanks for
Woo!
watching.